The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 11:30 p.m. At 10:26 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 24 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor to 15 nautical miles east of Montrose Harbor to 22 nautical miles west of Michigan City, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Winds may precede the arrival of precipitation by several minutes. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The current time is 10:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The following